Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between, including our new AI agent, which gives your business assurance that you'll never miss a call again. US Tech can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. Now there's two ways to do this. We can turn this on. We can activate the phone by using a power cable, power supply that goes onto the bottom of the phone, or an Ethernet cable like you see here. Power over Ethernet will light this phone up really well. But if you don't have a PoE switch, you're going to want to use the power cable that is sold separately. It does not come with the T74w. After the T74w boots up, it'll look like this if it is pre-configured from the distributor. But what if you don't have a SIP carrier credential? What do you do then? Well, the easiest thing to do is to go to ustech.com and they can handle all this for you. They can send you pre-programmed phones. They can give you SIP credentials that you need and set you up very quickly.